This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can easily add meta titles, meta descriptions, and keywords to your WordPress pages or posts using plugins. And I am using the Rank Math SEO plugin. There's also other plugins, All-in-One SEO, Yoast SEO, which is probably one of the most popular ones. I enjoy using Rank Math. I think it's a little bit more tweakable and advanced and gives you a lot of other cool features. But anyway, so there's a lot of great plugins out there that lets you dynamically add meta tags and descriptions and keywords to your posts and pages. So you don't have to add them statically as in such in the back end of your files, etc. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have the Rank Math SEO plugin already installed. I will include in the comments a couple plugins for SEO. And what we're going to do is that we're going to go into a page that I have here. And they're not really set up. This is just a staging test site. So I don't really have a lot of things set up here, but I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like and how you can add descriptions and titles to your posts and pages. It's going to be pretty much the same exact way you're going to do it in like something like Yoast. So here we go. Here's my Rank Math SEO right here, and I have the general right here. And then you can see this right here, focus keyword. So I can add a keyword here if I wanted to. Say it's my design brand right here. And then it's going to give me a score on the side here. And it's going to tell me when I scroll down all the things that I can add and fix in order for me to help me rank for this keyword. And this is kind of the key. A no SEO plugin, you're not going to just enter your keywords into a plugin or even to a page and just expect it to rank. You need to build your content around the keywords that you want to rank for, make sure it's relevant, make sure it's trustworthy, and then you're optimizing your content to its full extent to use these keywords. So you're going to want to add it to the title, you're going to want to add it to a subheading, you're going to want to add it to your body within the first 100 words of your post or page. You're going to want to make sure to include that keyword there. And optimally, you're going to want to also include it in your URL or slug. So this kind of goes, and it kind of shows you what you can do to help your blog or your page rank better for, or be optimized better in order to rank for these keywords that you're going to want to use. Okay, so as you can see here, it says basic SEO. It says my keyword does not appear in the SEO title. I should fix that. It doesn't appear in the meta description. I should fix that, etc. They also give you some additional ones here, as well as some readability and content readability scores. So this is a really great plugin to do that, and it kind of helps you step by step in order to attain the 100-point ranking. Obviously you don't really need to get a 100 points. Get as close as possible. And when we're talking about Yoast SEO, you don't have to go for the green bullet. Yellow or better, that's fine. Just make sure that your content is optimized and that it's relevant and that there's enough content there in order for search engines to see the content and realize how relevant it is to the searcher's search in order to rank you in their search. Okay, so this is how that works. This is where you're going to edit. This is what your snippet. This is what people are going to see when they enter these keywords. So you can edit this. You just hit edit snippet, and then you're going to see all these different things you can add. So the custom meta description. This is where you would add your description. You can use just the excerpt right here, or you can enter your own type of information. Say Wander Design is a web development company that specializes in WordPress and other e-commerce websites as well. So as you see, as I'm writing, this bar is going up. So pretty much you want to be in the green here. And this, like I said, this is the same in SEO. You got to, or Yoast SEO. you're going to want to make sure it's in the green mark. It kind of gives you a step of how many words or characters that you can use in the description. If it goes over that amount, it's going to be cut off in the SERP. So you're going to want to find the sweet spot and using your keyword in the description and in the title, and making sure it's, it looks good. People, you might appear, in the top of the SERPs, but if your title and your description isn't appealing and relevant to what people are looking for, they're probably not going to click on your link. So make sure you really, really focus on your title and your description. Consider it kind of like an advertising strategy, okay? So that is how you would enter keywords and descriptions and titles into WordPress. One of the most easiest ways to do it is to download a plugin called Rank Math SEO or Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO, and just kind of go through the steps of setting it up. It's really, really simple to use, and I hope that helps you guys build out your content that is SEO optimized. Hope you guys have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.